In a live stream on March 25, Gabriel Go, this guy, introduced what he has created, the best AI image generation model, GPT-4o image generation, and the whole AI space went crazy about it. But because of a very specific style, that is Studio Ghibli. The irony is with one of the creators, Hayao Miyazaki. When he was shown an AI generated animation, he said this.
極めて何か生命に対する侮辱を感じます。
Which means he thinks AI generated art is disgusting and it's an insult to life itself. Ironically, everyone is now generating images and videos in his style using GPT-4o image generator. So let's see how to do it. So you have to just paste the image that you want to convert and say, I want the exact image but in Studio Ghibli style. And as you can see, it converts into that style, showing the absolute brilliance of this model. I tried this on Google Gemini's image generator, but it was not able to do so. So what else can GPT-4o image generation do? Turns out you can convert animations to real life, just how I turned Pepe the Frog into real life. Cool, right? Now this model is also very good at text generation. Here I asked it to give me an image which has a poem in it, and you can see it exactly creates that. When I tried this with Gemini's image generation, it was not able to do this as well. Now the model is very good in image editing as well. Here I sent an image of a girl and I asked it to change her emotions to sad, and it exactly did that. Or have a look at this image where I asked to tilt her head slightly and it does that, and then I asked to make her blink and you can see it exactly does that, showing the editing skills of this model. Now you can also create thumbnails as well. You can see I sent Elia's picture and I asked to make a thumbnail with the text feel the AGI, and it exactly does that. But I feel it slightly changes the face compared to the original one. Do you feel the same? Tell me in the comment sections, and if you are enjoying this video, do hit the like button. Now turns out you can also make product marketing images just with this model. Have a look at this example where I send a pic of this book and asked to generate an image of a person who is reading this book, and as you can see it exactly does that. I tried this with Google's Gemini image generation, but it was not able to do the same. Now you can also try new looks on yourself with this model. So I sent an image of a person and I asked how this person would look without a beard, and the model gives me exactly what I want. Then I asked to give a toothbrush style mustache to the person, just like Hitler. And now you can see it gives me that. Now you can exactly show your barber exactly what you want. Now you can also replace person from images. Here you can see I send an ad having a woman in it, and then I send the image of the person that I want to replace with, and it gives me exactly what I want. Now let me tell you a trick which you can use to create absolutely real images with this model. What you have to do is just mention low quality and taken with a very old phone in your prompt, and it will generate you a very realistic image like this one and this one as well. Have a look at this next use case. I asked it to generate a one-page manga and it generates that for me. I asked this to Gemini image generation, but it was not able to do that because it can't create accurate text. You can also use it as a background remover. I send this image and asked to get rid of the background, and it does that exactly. But it seems that it has changed the expression, which I have seen this model do many times. Next, I sent the same image and I asked to get rid of the person this time, and it does exactly that, which means it can work like an object remover as well. I tried this with Gemini image generation, and in this particular case it was slightly better than GPT-4o image generation. Now turns out you can also generate logos with this model. Here I described the logo I want in detail and it generates exactly what I want. Absolutely awesome. Now according to Majid on X, we can create sprites animation using this model. I used his exact prompt and I get this exact same sprite sheet. And then I asked ChatGPT to make a GIF out of it, and it exactly did that. And you can see this animation in a GIF viewer. Absolutely awesome. So if I have to say my verdict, this is a step change in image generation because of the accurate text generation and image editing this model can do. I hope you found this video interesting. That's all for today guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one.